What's up everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today we have something different. A machine that can make 5 popsicles in around 30 minutes. Turning something that usually takes hours into something fast and easy at home. Instead of waiting for hours, everything happens inside one system. This is the Coolwill Popsicle Machine that we have been using for the past couple of weeks, and the experience has been easy and consistent. Designed to create frozen treats directly without relying on a freezer. Instead of waiting hours, it uses a built-in compressor system to cool and freeze ingredients inside the machine itself. The body uses an ABS exterior, while the foot contact parts combine silicone and stainless steel for safe use. It is not a traditional ice cream maker, and it is not just a mold either. This is also one of the first machines that can handle both popsicles and ice cubes in a single machine. Okay, as we know what it is, I think now I should describe how it works. Yeah, the process is simple and easy to follow. Ingredients are prepared first, whether it is juice, yogurt, or a custom mix. Then it goes straight into the mold, placed inside the machine. From there, everything is controlled through the touch screen, selecting one of the preset moods. After starting, the machine handles the freezing automatically, so there is no need to move it to a freezer or check constantly. Once the cycle finishes, the popsicles come out cleanly. This also makes it easier to try different ideas, from simple juice pops to chocolate milk or even cocktail-style ice pops. Yeah, Chloe and Janetta likes the cocktail-style ice pops, but what do you actually prefer? Let us know in the comments section. Okay, here comes the most important part. Once the process is clear, the next thing that stands out is how quickly everything comes together. This is where the product makes the biggest difference compared to traditional methods. Freezer molds usually take several hours before anything is ready, and that delay often removes the fun from the process. Here, freezing happens in around 25 to 45 minutes, with roughly 30 minutes as the main reference point. Well, that shorter time makes it easier to use more often, even within the same day. If speed is one advantage, then there are more. Yeah, beyond speed, the flexibility of what it can produce adds another layer to the experience. It is not limited to just one type of result, which helps it fit into more situations. The machine supports multiple molds, including standard popsicles, ice cubes, and smaller decorative shapes like cat paw piece. Yeah, that really looks amazing. In one cycle, it can handle 5 popsicles, while the ice cube molds produce 12 cubes, and the smaller molds create even more pieces. This makes it more than a single-purpose device. All of this comes together in how the machine fits into everyday use. It is not limited to one type of user or one specific situation. For families, it adds an interactive activity where making frozen treats becomes part of the experience. It also works well for gatherings or small parties where 5 popsicles can be ready in about 30 minutes without long waiting. For those focused on healthier options, it allows full control over ingredients, avoiding unnecessary additives and keeping everything simple and clean. Here in our studio, we think that this is built for people who want faster results, cleaner ingredients, and a more engaging way to make frozen treats. More importantly, it's healthier and we have the control over what we wanna eat. Well, I have left a link to this Coolwill Popsicle Machine in the description box. Go ahead, check this Coolwill Popsicle Machine and get one for yourself. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.